Whoever uses honey with a little salt and lemon juice will forget the way to the doctor. This powerful mixture helps cleanse the lungs, open the bronchi, and immediately removes excess mucus. It is the ideal solution to relieve a severe cough and nasal congestion naturally. Follow me for more tips and leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to share it with friends. Usage: consume 1 tablespoon in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 before bed. Save this recipe so you always have it when you need it.